A payment method that disappears after you save it in Pool Payday usually points to a failed save, an account session problem, or an app issue rather than the payment details simply being ignored. The quickest way to troubleshoot it is to check the payment information, refresh your session, and then test the account again before changing anything else. First, open Pool Payday and go back to the payment or payout settings where you entered the payment method. Enter the details again instead of relying on an old saved form. Check every required field and make sure there are no missing characters or rejected fields. If the app gives you a confirmation message but the payment method disappears after leaving the screen, completely close Pool Payday and open it again. Then return to the same settings page. This tells you whether the method actually saved or whether the screen only displayed a temporary confirmation. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if both are available, then try saving the payment method again. A connection that drops during the save process can leave the app showing information that was never successfully stored on the account. If you're using Pool Payday on Android, open your phone settings, find Pool Payday under Apps, and check whether an update is available. If an update is already installed, force close the app and reopen it. Avoid clearing app data unless you know your login information, because clearing data can remove locally stored session information. On iPhone, check the App Store for a Pool Payday update and restart the app after installing one. If the payment method still refuses to stay saved, sign out and sign back in, then repeat the setup process. There is one useful test before contacting support. Try saving the same payment method from another supported device or access method if Pool Payday provides one. If it saves there, the problem is likely local to the original app installation or device. If it fails everywhere, the issue is more likely connected to the account or payment system. Also, don't repeatedly submit the same payment information if the app starts showing duplicate or pending entries. Stop and check the account first. So, the main fixes are simple. Re-enter the payment details, verify the connection, restart Pool Payday, install any available update, and sign back in. If the method still disappears after every attempt, contact Pool Payday support and provide the exact error message or screen behavior. Try those steps in that order. And if this fixed the payment method problem, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.